back to the channel. In today's video, we've got another Mk7.5 Golf R in. We're going to be installing the RacingLine 5-piece intake and the Remus exhaust system, so completely transforming the intake sounds, the turbo sounds, and the exhaust sounds, whilst also making the engine bay aesthetic look a lot better, and also the rear end aesthetic. So we're going to get started on this car now, get it in the workshop, get everything installed, and at the end of the video, we'll show you what it sounded like before and after. So see you then. Okay, so the Remus exhaust system has been fitted to the car. As you can see, we've got the lovely polished silver tips on there, and it sounds like this. And then on the front end of the car, we've got the R600 intake fitted here. We've got the coolant hose reroute. So usually the coolant hose goes over the top of the intake, but now it's been rerouted underneath. And then we've got the lovely silicone intake hose, replaces that ugly factory plastic bit going into the turbo. So that's everything on this particular build. Obviously, if you're interested in a package like this, go down into the description. You can contact our team now. And then if you want to buy individual parts or fit it at home, then you can head to the shop links that are also in the description. See you on the next video. Thank you for watching this video. If you haven't done already, then give us a thumbs up. If you want to watch some of our other videos that YouTube thinks you'll like, then click up here. If you want to watch some other videos in the same playlist, then click here. And if you haven't done already, then hit the subscribe button right here.